You did.
You see what?
Don't open it up.
Don't open it up. Don't.
Leave
it. Come on. Let me see. No. Let me see. Come on, Mommy. Let's go. It's cool.
Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and today we're doing a little bit of a different video. I decided I wanted to take you guys to our annual farm trip up in the North Georgia Mountains. Jaemor Farms is over 500 acres in size, and it has been manned by the same family for over 100 years. They have a wonderful and huge pumpkin patch. They have fresh produce, lots of games and activities for the kids, a corn maze, awesome snacks. So come and join us while we spend a day at the farm.
You can do it.
Mommy.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, so cute.
Feeding all day.
You like it.
So we just finished the big maze, and we made it out, right? We didn't get lost.
Yeah. I was hoping that we'll be able to get out of the maze. We did it. So we're drinking a lot of water right now because we're like tuckered out.
And of course, we could not leave without going to the fresh kettle corn stand. It is my dad's absolute favorite, so we had to pick him up some. We grabbed ourselves some sweet potatoes, picked up a few pumpkins, and grabbed some raw and natural honey since we don't get to come up here very often, and I even was able to grab some goodies from their bakery. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos on this channel. And I hope I encouraged you to go out and enjoy this cooler air and make some memories with your family. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.